Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide all Facebook photos. If you're using Facebook and you want to hide all of your Facebook photos but not deleting them, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook app. Now just go to this menu option in the bottom right and then tap on your profile to open your profile page. Now from here you just have to tap on the three dots, then select activity log. Now from here just select this option of your Facebook activity, and very first you have to go to manage posts, and from here you'll get all of your posts you have uploaded on Facebook. So now from here you just have to simply select filters, then select categories. Now from here you have to only select the option of your posts, photos and videos. Once you have selected, you'll get only the photos and the videos you have uploaded on your Facebook profile. Now from here you have to scroll down to very bottom until it's load all of your photos and videos on your profile. If you have a lot of photos, it might take a couple of minutes. Now once you have done or you have loaded all of your photos here, just tap on this all option to select all of your photos. Then tap on these three dots, then select change audience. Now from here tap on change audience option again, and on this page you'll see three different options. The very first is public. If you want to select public, so all of your photos and videos will be shown publicly. The second one is friends. If you have selected this one, so only your friends can see your photos on your profile. Or the third option is only me. So I'm going to select only me. So once you have selected only me, your photos will be only shown to yourself on, or you can only see your photos by using your own profile, or the other person cannot see them. So you just have to tap on this change option here. So once I have changed, your audience will be changed and your photos will be hidden from your profile. So these were the photos which you uploaded on your Facebook profile. Now let's hide them, uh, in which you are tagged. So you just have to select activity log again, select your Facebook activity, and select activity you are tagged in. So select manage tags. Now here you have to make the same steps or the same method to hide all of your Facebook photos. So in this way you can easily hide all of your Facebook photos. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.